problem, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. So, a chord of a circle, this chord subtends an angle of 90 degrees, subtends an angle 90 degrees at the center, and radius of a circle is given as 10 centimeters. So, this is 10 centimeters, this is 10 centimeters. The question, area of the corresponding minor segment. So, you need for the first bit area of the corresponding minor segment, this area, and second bit area of major sector. So, major sector is for this is the one portion minor sector. So, this whole is major sector. So, this area. So, you have to find out this red color shaded region and this region green color. Okay. Now, coming to the first bit. Find the area of minor segment. So, area of segment formula is given by area of sector minus area of triangle, right? The full area minus this triangle area. So, what is area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square, theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus this triangle is right angle triangle. So, this is base, this is height. So, you can use half into base into height. So, here theta value 90 degrees by 360, 1 by 4 of pi is given, take it as 3.14, 3.14 of r square 10 times of 10 minus half into base is 10 and again height is 10. So, this one is 314, 314 by 4 minus 50 by 2 or 50, or we can take it as, if you want take LCM we can keep as it is also. So, now this is 314 minus 200 divided by 4, which is nothing but 114 divided by 4, this is area. Okay, let me do simplification also. 2 times 28.5 centimeters square. So, we got area of the segment part. Now, next is we have to find area of the major sector. So, this area you want. So, for the major sector, the angle is 270 degrees at the center here. So, area of major sector, x by 360. So, 270 degrees by 360 into pi r square, pi is 3.14, radius square 10 times of 10. So, this simplification is nothing but 9 table, no. So, 3 times and 4 times, 3/4 of 314, this point will move into 10 and 10. So, we will get this one as simplification, on simplification we will get the answer as 235.5 degrees, sorry 235.5 centimeter square. Fifth problem, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degrees at the center. So, circle radius is given as 21 centimeter. So, an arc subtends an angle 60 degrees. So, this is an arc which is subtending an angle 60 degrees at the center. Let OAB be the arc. Find number 1, the length of the arc. So, the first question is, what is the length of the arc? We can notate, its notation is like this, length of the arc. Second one, area of the sector formed by the arc. So, this area. And fourth one, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So, if I join the chord, we can get the segment. Now, first, what is length of the arc formula? X by 360 of 2 pi r. So, length of the arc formula x by 3 theta by 360, okay, angle theta by 360 degrees, x, you can take x degrees also or theta degrees also. It is an angle subtended by the arc at the center. So, theta by 360 of 2 pi r. So, here theta is 60, 60 by 360 is 1 by 6 of 2 times of pi is 22 by 7, radius is given as 21 centimeters. So, this on cancellation will give here 3, this is 3, So 3 gets cancelled. We will get the length of the arc as 22 centimeters. So the first part is done. Now second part. Second part is area of sector. So area of sector formula x by 360, theta by 360 of pi r square. So theta by 360 again 1 by 6. 1/6 of 22 by 7 of r square, 21 into 21. Again this will come as here 11 times 3 times, again cancellation here 3, 11 into 21. So 11 ones are 11, 22, 231 unit here centimeter square, it is area, right. Now third part is area of the segment. So how we will get segment here? Segment is a portion covered between the chord and the corresponding arc. So I need this portion, right. So area of segment is given by the formula. Area of segment is area of sector from sector, this is sector, minus area of triangle. So already we got area of sector answer as 231. Now we need only area of triangle. So how the triangle will be here? This is 21 centimeters and this is 21 centimeters and the central angle is given as 60 degrees. Now this is an isosceles triangle, right, because here 21, here 21. Two equal sides are there. At present this is an isosceles triangle. Let us check now. Two sides are equal. So the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles should be equal. Already one angle is 60 degrees. So the remaining two angles will be 60 and 60. So it is nothing but equilateral triangle. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square, side square. Here side is 21 centimeters. So root 3 by 4, 21 square. So area of segment is 231 minus root 3 by 4 of 21 square is 441 centimeter square. This is also area. So in your book the answer is given in this form only, simplification is not done because root 3 is not mentioned here. They will mention take root 3 as 1.414 value. If it is not given, you can leave like this.